This, in my opinion, is an absolute piece of shit. So if you want to know more before YouTube takes this pretty yucky video offline, then keep watching this video to the end, because I doubt it's going to stick around for very long. Right, so here I am back with this, the Garmin Zumo XT. If you're a motorcyclist and you've ever had a Garmin Zumo XT or a Motorrad navigation device or some other Garmin device for your motorbike, you will know as well as I do that it is an absolute piece of pants. This is about as useful as a chocolate chisel. I wouldn't wipe my ass with it. It's going to go in the bin after this video. What an absolute load of crap. Especially if you're a Mac user. It doesn't connect, it doesn't show the GPX files the way you've planned them. The Garmin Basecamp software is absolutely awful. Try getting hold of Garmin. I tried to call Garmin today just before making this video, and you know what, after being on the phone on hold for 20 minutes, absolutely got sick of listening to their stupid music playing all of the time. My advice to you is, if you are looking for a navigation device, use your phone is the bottom line. Just don't bother with this piece of absolute junk. It is shit. Thanks Garmin for wasting my money. Thanks Garmin for producing a product which is awful. Thanks Garmin for producing a piece of software which is crap. Thanks Garmin for producing a device that doesn't connect to the devices. Thanks Garmin for having maps that don't work with other GPX files and maps. Thanks Garmin for wasting my money. You can shove these right up your ass.